So much for being with us on this Family Day long weekend. An intense bout of weather across Alberta. We saw the squall developed yesterday. Now today, another system forming and brewing with those upsloping conditions. We are looking at incredible amounts of snow, and we're going to see that across BC's interior too. So Calgary, 20 to 30 centimeters. You are in line for that. Places like Banff, especially higher up in Jasper at the Alpines, we could see 40 centimeters of snow with this system. And the passes within the interior, this could be dangerous. If you don't like winter driving, this certainly is not the place for you. The Allison Pass, for example, 50 to 75 centimeters of snow expected, and this is with ongoing snow that's already happening now, continuing through the day tomorrow, and it will continue later into Tuesday too. Windy conditions will develop, so this really a dangerous scene across the interior of BC, and we are looking at the potential for power outages as well with these intense winds. Ferry delays, ferry cancellations, wouldn't be surprised if we saw that. Places like Vancouver and Victoria likely to see winds close to 100 kilometers an hour. Now, another big system that we continue to follow, well, that's this messy mix that's coming into Ontario. A big one to watch Wednesday with multiple types of precipitation. It'll continue into Thursday as we look ahead at Friday. Thanks so much for joining us. I want to show you a day like this because there's no complaining, okay? When we look at the forecast this week, and I tell you there's lots of winter to go because we've had so many amazing, beautiful days this month. 5 degrees today, perfect for Family Day. Going down to the lakeshore might be a little bit windy again, but overall, this is great February weather. A skate at Nathan Phillips Square, that'll feel pretty nice today. Look at this afternoon. 3 degrees in Whitby. We're -1 in Barrie. Skiing up towards Blue Mountain, Horseshoe. What a great day for that. 2 degrees in Guelph, 3 in Kitchener. And by the way, if you can stay with us, we've had a contest all weekend long here at the Weather Network. We're giving away Diamond Lift passes. So within 10 minutes, we are going to be announcing some of those winners. All right, as we take you into the evening hours, -3. Overnight, really, this is a comfortable temperature for February through the overnight. And then we see the system coming through. So this clipper really moves on quite quick. Tuesday morning, 2 degrees in Toronto, 1 in Oakville, 0 in Hamilton. A little bit of mixing is possible just as temperatures are right above that freezing mark. And then into the afternoon, that system clears. And again, this is not the big system that we're talking about this week. This is the big system that we're talking about. So as we show you here, cloud cover building throughout the day on Wednesday, and this system moves in. We should be cold enough to see snow to start, but the issue is as we go later in the hours, we do see this warm layer of air develop. That will melt the snowflake, but by the time it reaches the surface, it's actually frozen again as an ice pellet. So ice pellets widespread are likely as we go late Wednesday and in through Thursday for regions like Toronto, like Hamilton, even up towards Barrie, even along the shores of Lake Huron. Freezing rain more likely to be a story down towards the Niagara region. So a high impact storm late Wednesday lasting in through Thursday morning.